Tell me what you do on a Sunday.
Hey, it's Faye. How about $750 of Kai clothes from Kylie Jenner herself. A size 10. I'm 5 foot tall. So let's see if these clothes are actually catered for all women of sizes, because they do carry, wait, let me check. They do carry up to 4XL. Miss Girl said inclusive. Is she for real or is she for real? Every girl that's been trying Kai clothes, they're all skinty minty. No hate at all. If anything, I'm just jealous that you're skinny. They're nicely fitted and form, and I'm like, who's really giving this a try? For us girls on the other side of the spectrum. Like, we need some representation. So let's begin this real deal try on haul. Listen, Linda, I wouldn't know. How would I know? This is the faux leather long dress. Hear me out, hear me out. I was thinking a large faux leather, that's not just, it's just gonna be too tight on me. Like, I know myself. You know, Faye orders too small of things. What's in here? You know, I always be like, I should have sized up. It's just too small. Okay, let me just do myself justice, and you have you in mind, and get an extra large. She really said long dress. Don't let my fun size fool you. Look at the stomach. It will fit this. It's just I'm worried about the length. I thought it was like midi on her. Ooh, it's slimy underneath. The technique here is just to snip and snap the back, twist and turn the front. I'm a mess. Oh my god. Are you sure it's supposed to look like this? I feel like I'm in this weird position with my body where I'm between a large and an extra large right now because of the holiday. Is that? I mean, your girl just got done eating Chinese food and pho for a birthday party. Filming this on a full stomach. So the stomach fits comfortably. The chesty besties are really saggy. All this is air. I don't have enough grip up here. No hold. Like, does that lose weight? Like on her, it looked more like this. Tell me why there's fake hips. Tell me why. This is where my hips are supposed to fit into. Bitch, my hips are here. Girl, Kai, did you make this for normal girls or like injected girls? You know, I will say it's heavy. For faux leather, it is good quality. If I were wearing a size large right now that was worth fitting on my body, would I still have these fake hips that's filled with nothing but cargo space? My hips are here, girl. You really think that girls have hips out here? Yes, naturally, but like yours that were like made, produced. I don't know if this is realistic. It looks ridiculous. And I'm 5 foot tall. I mean, is this how Kim K's body is like? Bam! I appreciate this seaming that mimics a corset effect. I mean, sure, it's super flattering, especially with this angular section. Maybe if I was wearing a large, I'd feel differently. Ooh, I even got shoes, girl. Ugh. How's this? Girl, tell me why I look like Patrick Star hips. I really look like Miss Sharky again. You know, my 3rd grade teacher. I look like I have Miss Sharky thighs. Again, maybe if it was more fitted and I had less of the fake hips, just a teeny weeny bit of the fake hips, yeah, maybe this would be a little bit more likable on my body. But come on, seriously, a 5 foot tall, mid-sized girl like me with no hips, no ass, just a tummy, belly rolls, tootsie rolls. I mean, I appreciate the zipper pockets. I can't find the zipper though. Off on. This is cool. Keep your fingers a little cozy. Keep some Twix and Musketeers in here. Kylie's a 12. I'm a 0 right now. Look at the back. No butt. Still there. No, like, the only thing I got are these like heirloom hips. I don't think so. Pass. Also, can I just add, the dress is good if you have a lot of legs, hips, and thighs. But if that's not your area of expertise, girl, pass it, don't do it. This is the next piece from her first drop, and it was $78. $78 for a Velcro. Excuse me, miss? This is how you wear the top. Lots of Velcroing. First of all, how do I get my head in here? Unzip the front and wear this like a vest. Oh, wait, we can loosen it up. Duh. Oh my god, Kylie, you're a genius. Innovative. That's why it's Velcro. Still a little sketch. I owe you an apology. It fits. I don't have enough neck for this, dude. I take it all back. I really like this. Slathering on my body, except for the neck part. I feel like I'm being choked, and I'm not into choking. I'm sorry. Look, it literally pushes my double chin out. Like, I don't like that. If I had a little bit more room, maybe I'll enjoy it more. I don't have a lot of neck to spare. Some girls like me, we have just enough to be breathing, not enough to be choked. For the sake of this video, I'll do it. Let me pair it up with these faux leather pants for $118. Miss Kai, collect your coin. It's literally choking me. Okay, these pants are really heavy. I feel like they're heavier than the dress itself. Bell bottoms, whatever the queen says. I'm just a peasant. I got this pants in large. The inside is lined actually, and it's super soft. It's the type that suffocates you a little bit, but at least your skin's not gonna be sticking to faux leather. Okay. Oh, so long. Holy Jesus Christ. What the Hi Kai, you're not that tall yourself, are you? We're almost there. We almost did not make it, but we made it. Are we looking like the Kardashians? Who are you? I mean, like, how are you supposed to walk in these? I mean, look how long these naturally are. It's not like I could size down. In case you didn't notice, these were made for tall people. My 5-foot girls don't even think about spending $120 on these pants. My thickety chickadee is really prominent right now in these jeans or faux leather pants, and it shows. I do really like the thickness around my belly though. I feel like it's snug. Tuck me to sleep, rock me away. Kylie! You got to be kidding. Like from the side, it's not that bad, right? And then this side, I'm literally like sliding with these pants. Okay. This looks like a scuba diving outfit right now. I love that the halter naturally is in this heart shape where it's rounder up here and then just goes into the small diagonal, with the straps being minimal enough that it's not stealing the spotlight. From afar you get this fake hourglass figure. Although my jelly rolls are popping on the sides, and a halter top is always flattering for broad shoulder girls. This works, except this doesn't work. The two-face, okay, I have like twice the face. That part's a little concerning, but if we open her up, we are as free as can be. Skinty minty onesies. Velcro is super sturdy actually. Ugh. Oh yeah. It doesn't snap, however, when you have extra Velcro just sitting on your skin, it is prickly. Big owie. So you might get a little rash from that, but beauty is pain. What can we say? Can we sit? I don't think so. Like, actually makes my booty feel round. I can appreciate the roundness on the butt, but I can't appreciate it in the front. This will not do us justice. Like, seriously, if it was like shorter, it'd be so cute. We could have been something. Ow! The Velcro's eating my back up. Okay. Kylie. You see, my neck is all red. Halter keep. Flappers gotta go. What'd I tell you? What'd I say? Huh? Yeah. Fret, but don't be scared. I got the faux leather mini strapless dress in a size large so we can redeem ourselves. Thank God the zipper's in the front. See, I'm telling you, look at these fake hips. Like, do you see that? This is the touche. Comment yes if you think this is gonna fit. Comment no if you think this is not gonna fit. I'm gonna make this work. Oh, we got over our stomach. Holy shit. I didn't even think we could do that. Now the chesty besties. Ow! My little dumpling. Ouch. Be careful. Oh, my little shambao. Oh my God. That was not supposed to happen. I don't think we were supposed to fit this. I feel like I'm in a blender right now. For the sake of our boobs just exploding in our face, hazardous safety reasons, I'm just gonna unzip this a little. Just let the girls do their thing. Jesus, I mean, how uncomfortable does this look? Oh, I just can't believe I pinched my dumpling. My little soup dumpling. Okay. Now you can see why I was in between a large and an extra large. Look how much it squeezes the side jelly rolls out. This dress is digging into the sides like no other. I feel straight up like a sausage link. I'm a little concerned about my health right now. I feel my guts inside out. In my kidney, is it okay? I am a little intrigued. And it looks and feels like I have hips. It fills it in, for this one at least. Because that long one, girl, ear in a tire. I wouldn't say it's flattering from the side. Again, with the zipper detailing, that's her whole thing. I can appreciate it, but it's just nothing that it just doesn't wow me. It's giving 2000 and late. Does this bring it all together? Can you see the vision here? My vision's a little tweaked and all I'm seeing is like Miss Piggy and heels. I'm calling myself that. It's okay. I'm making fun of myself. It's fine. It's faking these hips and faking this like booty shape right here. My tatas have no room to spill. It's spilling on my armpits. That's a crime. I look like a gender reveal balloon. Pop me any moment now and I will shot you blue or pink. The length is cute. I'm not gonna guarantee how long I'll last in this dress. It's a concoction of a mess and it's just not comfy. I think we can all tell what kind of body shape this dress was made for. Not a thickety chicken. You can squeeze into it. You can try all you want like me, but you're not gonna be comfortable in it. Just ask yourself, is it worth it? Next are these cargo pants in size large. I did not expect the texture to be this. It's like a windbreaker. $88, guys, $88. Oh goodness, the length is gonna trip me out. Why? Why is it so long? This is probably average length. I'm just a short bit. Okay, already I don't like it. Okay, I take it back. I'm such a hater. It's okay. It's fine. It's fine. It's not ugly. It's cute. It's really cute, but I don't like it. It's just not flattering. Too wide. It's like sleeping bag. I feel like a tent. I mean, it holds its structure. That's great. My legs look so wide and chunky. If you're long and skinty and all that, this will look great on you. I understand it's cargo pants, so what do you expect, Faye? They're supposed to be baggy. Yeah, I look like a blown up one of those at the car washes. You're scrunched down. You look distorted. I feel like I'm being made fun of. This is not fashion, Faye. On you, it's not at least. This is foolery. I don't know. I don't know. They listed them as wide, long cargo pants. Extra long. They look 90s. That's what it is. I mean, on the website it did say size down. This barely fits my stomach. What do you mean size down? And yet again, I just truly think that these clothes were made for a certain body type. And I'm just a hater. And for a second, I was like, maybe I should just like fake it and be nice about the clothes. Maybe Kylie's PR team will like want to reach out and work with me. Forget it. I'm just gonna be transparent. This is no. Kind of mad. In that case, yeah, I feel better. We can't go wrong with the zip-up hoodie. There's no way that the $62 zip-up hoodie will piss us off, right? It's not gonna piss us off. This is a size large. A hoodie for $62, you would expect something more soft, cozy. It's more on the dry and tough side. I'm just not a happy camper right now. This could be a little cute off the shoulder moment or wear it all the way, whatever. I don't care anymore. I kind of wish I got this in extra large so it'd be a little bit baggier. The hoodies are true to size, so there's that. Cute, it's cute. Stop being a Debbie Downer face. Zip up hoodie, keep. Okay, this is gonna be our last set, and again, I'm sorry for being so negative about this haul. I'm just feeling a little bit disappointed, but I don't know if I'm disappointed at like the clothes or my body or a combination of both. And again, all the girls who are reviewing Kai clothes on TikTok, they're all skinny minis and tall. They're like, oh, it's great and it fits amazing. But I'm like, dude, not for the rest of us. I got these sweatpants in a size large. Should have sized to a medium. I'm just gonna roll my sweatpants like I always do. Too big. They have drawstrings, so we'll just make it work. I'd say size down on the sweatpants. I wouldn't have known either. And then to put on top, I have this fleece super cropped hoodie. Now before we cover it up, this tank texture is okay. I mean, I do understand and like how the tank sleeves come inward toward your neck. I'm having a hard time digesting and liking this dullness to the red. There's no lining to the bottom of this tank either, so it looks like I cut it off myself. And it was for $32. Okay, I'm praying and hoping that I'm gonna really like this piece because out of everything I shopped for, I was most excited for this. So please, what can go wrong? I just don't love it. Oh, I'm sad. Maybe because I got a red tank. I don't know why I did that. Maybe if this tank was like a different color. I don't know, girl. Out of all of everything, I like this outfit the most. I don't know. I feel jaded. Just so underwhelming. I feel scammed. Next, in fashion. Okay, I could fucks with this. I like this. This part though, like you can see the little awkwardness of the cutout right here. I guess you like cover it up anyway, so who cares? I feel like I would organically keep the top and perhaps the sweatpants. I'm just on and off about the tank underneath. I feel like it's just not gonna last a couple washes. That's just my personal opinion, okay? I like this fleece super cropped hoodie. It could be a fun element to add to your hoodie collection. And then these sweatpants, I'm just not sure if I want to keep these or return them for a medium. Keep, pass. To each your own. I feel like a lot of girls will fit and resonate with these clothing items. Maybe I'm standing too strong in my stance. Perhaps it is your thing. And I apologize if I'm generalizing us mid-sized girlies, short, stout girlies. I recommend just going with the cozy clothes, streetwear. However, I do feel like there's a push and pull because I do feel like it's underwhelming. So just up to you. It's your coin. You figure it out. And if you know someone who's more similar to this body shape, make sure you send them this video if they're considering the Kai collection. Until next time, I'll see you guys in the next haul. Bye!
Tell me what you do on a Sunday